Hello friends, if you are searching how to change PIN on Windows 11, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can change PIN on Windows 11. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Press the Windows key and click the settings icon. Alternatively, press the Windows key plus I to open it directly. Click accounts in the left pane of the settings screen. On the right, click on sign in options. Click the PIN, Windows Hello option to expand the menu. Click the change PIN button once the menu expands. Type your current PIN in the top field, type in the new PIN you want to use twice, and click the OK button to confirm. Note, here, you can make your PIN more complex by checking the include letters and symbols box to use letters and special characters. Once you follow the steps, the PIN for your device will be changed, and you can begin using it to sign into your PC. Remember, changing your PIN doesn't affect your Microsoft account password or online services. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily change your PIN on Windows 11. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.